नमस्ते, इन्फोबज़ चैनल में आपका स्वागत है. In this video, we will see the use of one of the most popular functions in Excel, which is VLOOKUP function. So let's begin with understanding why this VLOOKUP function is used. Suppose you are having this data showing the details of employees working in XYZ company. So now you want to know the salary of a particular employee. Let's suppose you want to know the salary of John. Now what you will do, you will search for the John's name in the given data, and by that you will be able to know his details. Now you want to know the salary of other employee, say Alex. What you will do, you will search for his name in the given data to know his details. But now it looks easy because I am using small table. But what if you are huge data? So then it will become difficult task. So here to simplify the task, we will use VLOOKUP function. So let's see how this function can help us. First go to the cell where you want to see the salary of the particular employee. So here in this cell, we want to know the salary. Here we will enter VLOOKUP function. When you write VLOOKUP function, you will see the set of arguments. The first argument which we can see is lookup value. Lookup value is any value which we use to search result. In this case, employee name is lookup value. Why? Because we want to know the salary of that employee whose name we will write in this cell. So our lookup value will be this cell, comma. Second argument is table array. It is the main data table from where we are looking for our results. So this is our main data table. We will select our data, comma. Next argument is column index. So this argument asks us which column we want. In this case, we want employee salary column, which is fourth column of the table. So we will write 4 here, comma. Last argument is range lookup. This argument asks us whether we want approximate match or exact match to our lookup value. So here we want exact match. We will type false in the function, close parenthesis and press enter. Now it is showing error because we don't have any lookup value. In this example, we have taken employee name as our lookup value. So we will write any employee's name here to see the result. Suppose we want to know the salary of John. So I'll write the name of John's name here. Press enter. Now you can see his salary. You can try with another employee, say Mike. We will write the name here. It's showing Mike's salary. You can check from the main data table. So this is how this function works. Thank you.